storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
Yo, welcome in everyone. Good evening, good morning. Let's get it. So, today, let's take a look at the news here today. Today we got some unemployment claims coming out here in 13 minutes. And they're expecting a green numbers here. So expecting, no, actually red numbers. Because greater than forecast is going to be red numbers. So yeah, they're expecting red numbers here for gold for the unemployment claims. So if we do get what they forecast here, we should be coming up. So let's see if we can catch the move here with unemployment claims. I'm not gonna take anything here before unemployment claims. I'm first gonna take something after to follow it with the volume. So let's take a look at the daily here. Daily candle here, we rejected. So came up. You see this candle right here, right? As we talked about yesterday. Very small top wick. So what do you expect to happen? The next candle, no range, we come down. So it ended up closing bearish. Now here, this daily candle came up for a top wick and then we came down. We filled the wick and broke the lows. And we're now like, we almost tapped into this resistance over here. So let's see, the daily has room left to come down, definitely. So we could see a bearish day, but I also think we can come up. So let's see on the 4 hour if we get a clearer picture here. 4 hour, very ugly right now. We closed below this range, came down, very nice. This 4 hour closed doji, so nothing really there. And then this 4 hour has no top wick as of right now. So we could expect to see this 4 hour probably coming up and flipping. Maybe retesting back into this zone here before coming more down. And so yeah, I think buys might be good for now, with the unemployment claims also coming out for red numbers. 1 hour though might close below here in 50 minutes. So we got a support here that we could see some closures below. And then we have this resistance up here. If we take a look at the 30 minute, we move that support a little bit down and the resistance a little bit up. So yeah, perfect. This zone right here is most likely going to be a zone where it's going to be mostly choppy, right? So you mostly want to stay out of this zone. Hopefully news will get us out of here. So I'm going to take buys above and sells below here. So if we get red numbers here, most likely we will come up and hopefully we can close above, but we do have some choppy price coming up. Price does look cleaner to the downside, but remember the 4 hour we have no top wick here, so it's getting a little tricky here for today. So we have to be careful with the both sides, right? The buys are a little bit choppy to the left on the way up, but 4 hour has no top wick, so you have to be cautious with the sells. 15 minute, yeah, nothing here yet. Let's see. Cyper, you got anything to say? Anything to add?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yep.
Nice. Nope.
Nothing, alright.
No, I have nothing to add, pretty much. I have the same plan, buys above, sells below.
Mm-hmm. Would you take the sells if we close below now? Or would you wait?
If 30 closes below.
Yeah, but the only thing is that we will have news if that happens.
Oh yeah, right, yeah, the news.
So I'm gonna wait at least an hour here.
Yeah, exactly.
So news
if we
comes
didn't
out.
have the news, if we didn't have the news, I would have taken the sales. Yeah.
Yeah, news comes out and then wait a bit here.
Yep. So now we have news. So the 15, I'm not gonna touch. That's just, yeah, never gonna happen.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, what range do we have? We have exactly the same range. Yeah, great. Maybe news can push us out. Up, down, doesn't matter. Get a great closure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just pushing us out of
matters.
the range would be very nice here.
So I don't know about the sales because the 4 hour doesn't have a top wick right now though.
We also got Trump talking a lot about Greenland here recently.
Yeah, he wants that Danish territory.
Yep.
Let's give it to him.
But yeah, it's gonna be a waiting game here today. Nothing. It's been a slow week, I would say. We had a good start, but then it started slowing down. We got 2 wins, then 1 loss, and then nothing after that for me. And luckily, the 1 loss was only on a combine.
Yeah.
So. We're gonna have to wait here today. It's gonna be a slow day, I can tell.
Nope.
But once we hit around 9 a.m., that's when the volume comes in, and that's when the day's gonna get a little bit more exciting here after news.
Have a great day to have some patience. Test our ability to not take a trade and not gamble, don't do stupid
And just
shit.
learn, just observe.
Yeah.
Observe the markets. Do we have anybody new here today? We got 3 people watching. Anybody in here besides me and Cyper?
Yeah, people gonna drop in soon. I think they just have to see that we're live. And then they're gonna flood.
Drop by and hit a like.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe today I might stream some gaming because gonna have to wait a bit here. After the news, let's see. If news doesn't do any exciting moves, I might put on a game to play because I'm not gonna wait here and do nothing.
Yeah, I might, as I said, I might just grab my PS5 and put it in the office and
I'll play some Battlefield.
maybe play some Battlefield. But I don't know if that's a good thing because if we're in a stream and I don't hold back my language, people might get offended.
What other games do you have besides Battlefield?
So the bad thing about PS5, my PS5 is it only got 1 terabyte of memory, so I can't have so many games. But I have like Battlefield, GTA, Minecraft. I have some Lego games. I'm playing pretty much the same games that I played when I was 8 years old, bro.
Hasn't changed.
Nah. When I play, I haven't been playing for like 3 weeks now. So during Christmas and everything, I just been busy hanging out with the kids and the family.
15 closed above too. I think we're right now experiencing this range because of news coming out soon. Like we're having this pre-news range that hopefully we will break out of. Like I would hate for us to move in a direction and then pull back and close back in the range. That would suck.
Shala in the chat.
Yo, Chala. What's up? What's up? Welcome in. Have you taken anything today, Chala? You took any trades?
Yeah, nothing's really going on. Ah, it took a
Yeah.
set replay. Nice.
Nice, celery play.
So let's see. Yeah, this whole day we've just been stuck in this range.
Ever since
Last
the
time-
morning.
Yeah, last time we moved was in Asian, pretty much.
Like, this is kind of like, here's where I started trading. Ever since London session, like, look at that. Range. Breakout, no top wick, bleed. You know what I mean? Come back up, range again. So nothing here, man. It's all of this has just been choppy.
Yeah. AJ.
AJ,
Welcome, brother.
welcome in.
Happy to see some familiar faces. or
Yeah, I remember
names.
AJ from a long time ago, bro. I remember back in the day in TTE, he used to be there a lot.
Yeah, of course.
And his
I can't-
username was A, and then a space, and then J.
Yeah. AJ. It was hard to tag him when you.
Yeah, you had to put an A
Back.
and then a space.
Yeah. Yeah. Every letter just a space between, and then you can write
Mhm.
everything.
But now they changed up everything too. They changed the usernames and everything, so now it's the ats.
Yeah, I don't like these new YouTube names, but I've seen some streamers have made that disappear, so people actually have their real username again.
Huh.
I don't know what they did or how they did it. Maybe you can go into settings and remove that. You can see the whole names. I don't.
Yeah,
like
I don't
see-
know. Like YouTube for me, like
so-
it's very complicated. I don't even know
Yeah.
where to change that. I'll probably have to search up a video or something to figure
Yeah.
out how to change
Yeah, I
up
have
the
no idea.
username. I mean, it's fine. It's
I don't-
fine.
Yeah.
Okay, we're coming up now. I mean, the 1 hour did close support here back in the range, so if we break these highs, we might come back up here.
Is my mic low?
I don't think so. Like for me, hearing, like I'm not listening to the stream, but from my headphones, it's not. Is it low on the stream or what?
Yeah, a little bit. It feels like I might have to be very close to the mic. Yeah.
Try. Let's see. I might turn you up here on Discord.
Yeah, a little bit maybe, so I don't have to scream into the mic. I don't know.
There you go. That should be good. Turned you up more.
Yeah,
Thanks.
let's.
Yeah, that should be perfect, I
Test it.
think. Because when I look at the audio stuff, we're like hitting the same
Yeah.
volume.
Abula haba. Yeah, it sounds great. I think.
Yeah, this is the OGs in here. All the OGs.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get in anyone else to join maybe. Also, it would be nice to have a nice discussion in the chat and everything.
Yeah.
Talk with some people.
I mean, we're gonna get the OGs definitely gonna be in here, and then we're gonna get new members too. People who are gonna stumble across the stream and whatever.
Let's go. Let's go. We just gotta take some perfect trades so people can see that we are not joking around and just hanging out. I mean, imagine people just chilling with the shorts up, just pretending that they actually trades and just never takes a trade, just to make it look like they're actually gonna take a trade anyway.
But this is the thing. This is, you know,
Yeah.
trading is not about taking trades. That's the funny part. Like, it's about following the plan and taking it when it matters. You know what I mean? Like, we could take a trade right now, but does that mean that we're actually traders, or then do we become gamblers? You know what I mean? Like, once you start just taking trades just to trade, then it's the whole point of it goes out of the window.
Only time I'm gonna gamble is when I have like 10 or 20k and go to Las Vegas maybe. Small little group over anything. Yeah, I agree. When the group gets too big, it's not you don't feel at home as much anymore. So that's pretty much why we started our own community also, because we wanna feel like this small community vibes. Everyone knows everyone. We can talk about everything, and it doesn't get noisy and all that.
Exactly.
But if we pop, we pop. If we grow, we grow. Then we do that together.
Yes, sir.
I will never forget about the OGs though.
Exactly.
Never.
The OGs will always be there from the beginning.
It doesn't matter if we have like 20k viewers. I will always remember people. Everybody else is just noise.
And they'll always get priority too. So
yeah,
if you're an OG here, you got priority.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it might look small now, but it's always like this in the beginning.
Yeah, I mean, everything takes time. It's all about consistency.
Everything you do starts slow and small.
I mean, like,
it grows.
I've been trading for almost 3 years now, right? And first being profitable on the second, year. So it takes time, and that's gonna be with everything. Everything's gonna take time. Getting in shape's gonna take time, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So anything that you want to accomplish in life, just know it's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna happen with consistency and dedication and being disciplined, you know what I mean? That's what's gonna make you successful in this life. And we got 5 minutes left for news, and we're seeing gold pump up here. Let's see here. Yeah, we're moving. Gold is moving.
Gold. Let's see what happens. So what I would like to see is if news can push us maybe halfway through this range and then pull back. Maybe even push, almost a little bit more than halfway, and then we get a pullback and onion maybe create a new support, and then we can take a buy at 9:30. That would be nice.
Let's see. I mean, whatever news does, there's nothing we can do so far. We're gonna have to wait anyways, so let news come out, let it do its thing, stay out of it. I would recommend staying out of this and just watching it happen.
And now also 4 hour have a top wick, so everything can happen.
Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hours coming up. I mean, we can definitely, we can easily come up to here. News comes out, gold is easily gonna tap up here if we come out with red numbers, because the 4 hour, we break these highs, we break previous highs. The next target it's gonna aim for is right here, and if it continues, it's gonna be up here. But I believe easily We're gonna tap here before we see any sort of rejection. Let's see, boys. I love
what's the
news.
Discord group?
The Discord. Here, let me put that in the link for you real quick.
Yeah, I can't do that for some reason, so
Yeah,
you gotta do it for me.
Let me put that in there.
You can join the Discord.
There you go. It's a Discord right there. Pull up, type in the chat. You know, if you took any trades, post them with us, share them with us. We're more than happy to help you if you got questions as well.
Yep. And also you can follow us on Instagram if you want. I don't know if Ed wants you to follow him.
I mean, if you guys follow me, but
yeah,
I'll way rather have you guys follow the YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube, show up every day. It's gonna be way more helpful.
Yeah,
because that's what I'm gonna try and grow here, the YouTube channel.
You can follow me on Instagram. Send me some DMs. Ask about some trades, ask about anything. I will answer as soon as I see it. I have some people that writes to me very often sometimes, and I try to help as much as I can, give my point of view of everything. It might not be 100% the best advice, but I try to do everything I can to help people. So if people want, they can send a message and I will get back to it.
All right, boys, 1.5 minutes. I love seeing news come out. I love the volume, because I believe once news comes out, there's always volume after that we can take advantage of.
Yeah. So directly after the news, the candle after news, that's like post news volume, the best kind of volume.
Yeah.
And tomorrow we have some
NFP.
very many red folders. Yeah, NFP.
Yep. Tomorrow it's gonna be a crazy day.
Yeah.
So this week might have been slow, but I think tomorrow's gonna spice it up a little bit with that NFP.
Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna make it a little bit more fun.
And also next week gonna be amazing.
Oh yeah, next week CPI. Oof. If you guys wanna follow that, be ready for CPI next week, boys. It's gonna be crazy. I'm excited for that day.
Yeah.
I already have an account ready for CPI.
I have 3.
Yep. Full margin.
Full margin everything, we lose everything, and then we get back to business. Square one.
Exactly.
No,
Now, if you trade CPI or any news event, just be ready to lose those accounts. Like, don't expect to win that.
I'm from Sweden.
What the hell is this, man?
Yeah, so CPI, I will probably just use 1 or 2 accounts. So I wanna have at least 1 account left, so I can be able to take a payout and keep working my way back up. But it's fine. I have some spare money to get more accounts, so it's fine.
We got green numbers.
Inshallah, I'm from Sweden, and we have like 50 centimeters snow right here. It's crazy. You can't even walk outside anymore. It's hard to even open the doors. I have to go out every hour to shovel away the snow before it gets too much. I can't even open the door. So I shoveled all the driveway today. It was not much snow on the driveway because it only snowed for 2 or 3 hours yesterday, so it was like 20 centimeters snow. But shovel that times like 100 square meters. It's hard on your back, bro. Especially when you have this disc problem that I have, the lower back problem.
But man, this unemployment claims barely any volume. It came down a little bit because we got green numbers, but
yeah,
nothing too crazy.
Yeah, I think we might have to wait a few minutes before the game actually kicks in.
Yeah, so I mean now it's looking pretty good. Closure above, closure below. I mean, this is what I'm gonna say will be the best outcomes here for today. We close bearish on the 30-minute, and then 9:30 we close above here, and then take the buys, or we close below here and then we take the sells. I think one of those two would be the best. But closing back above on the 1 hour, so we close above on the 1 hour, but closing bearish on the 30-minute, right? And then the next 30 closes above. That's gonna be money for 9:30 here. So let's see, we gotta wait a little bit more. So
any trade, anytime.
Let's see. Sweet time in the building too. Welcome in.
Let's go. Make me a sandwich.
A focaccia sandwich.
Yeah. Make me a sandwich. Grab me a cup of coffee.
Let's see here.
Or I will ban you. I will ban you. Should I ban her?
That's up to you.
No. Maybe a cup of coffee. Cup of coffee.
Cypress on a bulk. He gotta eat.
Yeah,
24/7.
Give me a coffee. Make it now, bitch. Or I'll slap your ass.
Let's see here.
I'm joking. I'm not gonna do that. Not right now. Or not right now. Maybe later, off stream. So everybody watching now is just wondering what is he saying? And then in 2 minutes, this door is gonna open and my coffee is gonna be served.
Coffee served.
Just look and wait. That's some wifey shit right there. And if it doesn't arrive, I will take my lightsaber and I will slice younglings. So she doesn't want to be in stream, so I have to grab the coffee from the kitchen. All right.
No worries.
She didn't know I had the camera on yesterday, so she just poked in her face and.
I didn't even notice.
You're on stream now. But she didn't even realize that I had the camera on for the first time. And everybody just bombarded my office, pretty much.
Day one.
Yeah. Bad at warnings. Yeah, you're bad at understanding, bitch. You gotta learn how to, take a peek. Alright, so my coffee will not arrive into my room, but it's gonna be done. It's gonna be done. I'm gonna grab my shoes. These things. Daddy cool. Daddy cool. What? Daddy. I like this more. Daddy.
What is that, a sock?
Daddy. It's I don't know how we say it in English, but
like those. Yeah, I see.
Slips. It's like slippers, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that's how you say it.
Yeah.
But they're very comfortable. There's so much old sweat in them, so my feet just get sticky when I put them on. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go grab my coffee. It's done. Look at this.
Coffee.
And also a cinnamon bun,
Hey.
I think. Perfect. That's how you order coffee from YouTube.
From YouTube.
Yeah, from YouTube. Yes. Speak out to the unknown. Yeah, I want a coffee, and boom, done. You can't do that, huh?
Let's see.
Not yet.
Not yet, not yet.
I'm not gonna eat this though. We'll save it for later. Do you like my mug?
I wish I was a beer.
I wish this was a beer.
Oh, this was a beer.
Yeah. It's perfect, bro. It's perfect. For me not drinking anymore. Yeah, it's perfect. I mean, I haven't even, yeah, except for that one time a few days ago when I took some whiskey just to cleanse my throat when I was sick, but except for that time, the last time I even touched a drip of alcohol, it's like the last time I took a payout, pretty much. The first time.
Last time I took a payout.
Nah, the first time I took a payout. So when was that? October, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So I haven't touched any drinks pretty much since then. But soon it's summer. It's summer. Gotta have some barbecue nights and grab some beers and everything. Play some Uno with the family. My wife, their butt. So Shala, you're in the Discord. Perfect. AJ, you're in the this morning. No? Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. We have some random names. I can't read that, but
Let me see here.
I'm waiting for my boy to join the stream.
Who?
Mr. Jeff, I think.
Jeff?
Jeff
My
Bezos.
name Jeff.
Yeah, wait. Can I go out from this without this camera? I'm see what happens.
Mm-hmm.
Jeffy. Mr. Jeffy boy. I wonder if he's here right now. So, yeah, I think is my camera on? Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
nice.
on, it's on.
So I can actually grab my phone sometimes and we will automatically just turn back on. Perfect. Good to know. Good to know. Mr. Jeffy.
El Jefe.
You gotta put some W's in chat to let us know he's here.
Alright, so gold right now Nada. So I'm gonna be playing some games for the meanwhile. What should I play, real quick?
Yeah, are you gonna stream it?
Yeah, let's see if I can stream it.
Are you
I'm
gonna
gonna
play that you know the game where
the card game.
no the nah anyway yeah maybe the card game, but I don't
Should I
know.
stream the card game?
Maybe you can stream some Battlefield or something. People like to watch that.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Let's see. Because I don't really have that many games downloaded right now on the PC.
But you have Battlefield, right?
Not downloaded. I have it on the rug, on the other one.
What games? What games you have?
Maybe I will stream. Let's see here.
So my light didn't want to work so much, so I had to let it go. Yefe! Let's go!
El Jefe.
Welcome, brother. Welcome, brother.
I can't find any games. They're all deleted.
Finally, he showed up. I've been waiting. Are you trying to get up the game or?
We'll just stick on the chart. We'll chill on the chart here.
Yeah. So, if 15 in 2 minutes breaks out, are you gonna?
Never ever. I do not trade during this time right here.
Ah, yeah, right, yeah.
I don't like.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
So if the 30 breaks out.
If the 30 breaks out, I like it.
Yeah, maybe if.
It'd be nicer if it closes below though. Like closes bearish, and then the next 30 for 930 closes above. Fresh support.
Yeah.
930 breakout.
Yeah, that might push us up. If you look on the 1 hour, you have like clean range, almost 250 pips clean range up on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So I'm on target
like the 1 hour closes above, but the 30 closes like this, and then the next 30 closes above. That'll be nice.
Yeah, exactly. So any breakout, 930, I bid down. Let's see. Yeah, let's just hope that we get a bottom wick and everything, so it doesn't become another no trade day. It's starting to get boring, bro. We gotta have to force some trades soon, bro.
Nah.
Just gamble. Nah, I'm joking.
Put on your take one of your 50Ks and make it a gamble account.
I was thinking about that though. Not really gambling on it, but I think I spoke about it yesterday as take trades without bottom wicks. So if we get a clean breakout, everything looks great, and the only thing is that we don't get like a drawdown wick, like a bottom wick, and I'm gonna execute on it anyway. So I'm thinking about starting an account, just basically doing that, just to see how it goes. I mean, I can do it on the practice, but it's not the same. How many mods do we have?
We have, I don't know.
It's me, Alex, and Dennis, right?
Dennis,
I think PM.
I think that's it for now. Maybe there's one more. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't remember. I wonder if Legrand is here. He's always here. Legrand.
Maybe. Maybe, you know, Shaby Mike might be here. You never know. They might be lurking.
Yeah, they might be shadow watching. But you gotta bring up the chat on the stream later on, though.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be a big square, but like maybe left corner, left
Have to
lower
chat,
corner,
yeah.
a little bit.
But right now, I think it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Having it like this.
Yeah, it's fine. Dun 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 dun.
Damn.
So now we just have to wait for this winter season to be over, so we can. So I might take out my laptop outside in the summer.
Yeah.
I gotta do that. Sit outside and trade, make some money from outside in the sun.
Outside traveling.
Yeah, what a feeling, bro. I've been waiting to do that, bro. Last year was a bad summer. We had like 3 sunny days and the rest were just windy or rainy. Windy or rainy. Yeah.
Right now it's windy over here. And the snow is almost melting away now. Like it's very, very small snow.
No way. So if anyone wants to see how much snow I have, you can go in the Discord, go to the tribe chat, and yeah, the last 2 posts I posted last 2 times, that's how much snow I have.
All the
crazy.
snow.
Yeah.
All the rocket ship. That's in the chat.
So much snow, bro.
Okay, so 9 minutes here. Gold. I would love for gold to close like this, and then the next one closes above, and then we take the buys.
Yeah.
That would be very nice.
That would be amazing. I hope this coffee doesn't give me that caffeine kick that makes me shake and everything. Last time I had like 5 or 6 cups of coffee and on an empty stomach. And then I went away, I took the car and I drove into the city. I was shaking, bro. I thought I was gonna pass out. I don't know why. They say coffee isn't bad for you, but it felt like yeah, I felt like damn, I'm gonna pass out, bro. I was just shaking, everything was spinning. So I'm taking like 1 cup of coffee when I wake up, maybe 1 more cup later on the day, just if I want to. Otherwise it's just I don't really need coffee. I have much energy. After the first cup of coffee, wait 10 minutes and then I'm up. AB Mike, red drop.
AB Snipe, you wanna see some red drop up in here?
First cup of coffee.
I was thinking about putting on some games, but I don't have any games ready right now. Bring out the red drop. Tomorrow maybe. I'll get some games ready and then play them on stream. You want to see the red drop game? I'll stream the red drop game.
What's that?
It's a game called Ark. I don't know if you know it.
Ark.
Yeah, Ark.
Nah. I have no idea. AB Snipe. Say hello to the guys, bro.
AB, he loved the red drop game.
Red drop. I mean, I'm just thinking about. Nah, never mind.
No trades today, AB, but it's been a phenomenal day. Just very slow. We had I had a breakout right here, but we had no top wick on that candle, so nothing. No top wick, no entry. So it is what it is. We had a nice breakout there, but had to stay out of that. So now I think what I'm gonna be looking for here is maybe a closure like this, and then 9:30 we get a break above and then take the buys.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Gotta stay patient. Have you been taking any trades with the boys?
Huh? Oh, AB?
Yeah, my room is dark because... Wait.
He's on the dark side.
Yeah. No. No, it's better. But I was trying to use my lightsaber as a light because you can turn it into white, and but the battery died, so it doesn't let me use it anymore. So I gotta charge it. I can use it tomorrow maybe. I have better lighting. Oof. Yeah. Took some sells with the boys. Aaron took some buys. Yeah, nice. Did you take a W though? Yeah, W on the lightsaber. Let's go. I haven't even touched the charts. Not today, not yesterday. Tuesday I took a small loss and then I did something bad, so I don't want to talk about it. Monday though was a great day. Very good day. Just 130 pips, something light. Yeah.
Something like
Yeah. It's nothing, bro. Nothing.
Oh, something.
But the big question is, how many contracts did you take?
50.
Or did you trade? Did you trade MGC like a bitch, or did you take 10 GC like a champ?
130 pips is crazy though.
Yeah, it's crazy. I think that might be the most pips I've ever caught though. 10 MGC like a loser, bro. I mean, that's okay. That's 1 GC, so we can call it 1 GC. So it's not that, you know, it's not bad.
Bring back the 25k days. I remember that. Bro, AB Mike pulled up, and then like I think it was FOMC, right? And then this man made 25k. Crazy stuff.
Yeah. This dude also took like a payout of 25k. That's crazy. That's like nobody ever does that.
Hopefully we'll get a 25k day next week here for CPI. Maybe we'll get something big.
Yeah, I hope so.
I just need like 1 or 2 trades here to get my account up so I can risk more.
Yep. FOMC. So are you guys gonna trade the CPI or? Bro, the Samsung officially starts on CPI. Perfect. So you're gonna gamble the first day. You gotta join our stream for the CPI.
What a start to the stream. Gambling
Yeah.
on first stream.
Are you gonna take CPI though? Execute on it. That's the
Buy
big
stop,
question.
sell stop. You know, I learned the gambling from these guys right here. AB, Mike, and Janosch were the one who introduced me.
Yeah, that's
They were the one who
that's
taught me how to trade the news.
great. Probably be up 150 pips
Before.
on some trade before news.
Yeah.
Let it rock. But yeah, but you can take a payout and then you can gamble. I don't try to push anything on anybody, but I know AB Mike got the money to gamble, so gotta, you know. I'm looking for a word, but I can't.
Can't say it. Can't find it.
Yeah, I can't find it.
But man, what a choppy day today on gold. Like, what the hell? Just been in the range.
Yeah, a little bit. If we pull back up a little bit, close, and then the next candle close above, that would be amazing. Amazing.
Ooh.
But we might just close back down, way down in the range and just hover, bro.
Yeah, that could be a possibility. But if we close back in the range here, that will lead us for 9:30 to wait for a closure outside of it. If we don't get a closure outside of for 9:30, then it might be a no trade day again today. So let's see.
Yep. Oof. This week have been very slow. Nothing has happened. Time goes by very slow. I'm happy for the time slowing down actually, because I don't want days to just fly by like nothing. So I like a slow week sometimes. Just sit down, relax, start a campfire maybe. Oh, I might go out and start a campfire tonight.
And then make some bread over the campfire on a stick.
Yeah. Throw in a steak. Oof.
Ooh, steak on the campfire.
Yeah. And then I take out the steaks and it's full of coal. Or,
And then you eat the coal.
yeah. Not coal, but ash. Yeah, ash. Full of ash. It tastes like flavor, bro. Flavor. Flour. Flavor. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, so it tastes like sand, pretty much. But I can put some metal, like fence. How do you say? Bro, I lost every word, bro, in my book right now. I don't even know how to say anything right now.
It's all good, it's all good. I think
But,
here, okay, we got the 30-minute closing inside again, the range. Now, another 30-minute candle, and then we should get going here. Then we should be going.
Yeah. Let's see.
Let's see, where's Arc? Let me find Arc.
Let's arc.
Gotta download Arc for the red drop.
Arc.
Ooh, it's 100. I don't even have storage for that.
Bro. This coffee is making me sleepy, bro.
It has anti-caffeine.
Yeah. I don't need coffee to be awake, bro. So coffee is just... I'm just drinking it because it tastes good. But it doesn't taste good. It just... I don't know, it just... gives me satisfaction.
Okay, AB, if you're here, I'm gonna play red drop right now. Let me get the game. I can play it right now. I've found out I can stream it. Let's see here. Where is it?
Red drop. Red drop. Yeah, you gotta show it, bro. I don't know what it is.
Red drop coming in hot. Coming in hot. Okay. Let me go onto Streamlabs and add a source. Let me make a scene. This will be the gaming scene.
Oh. Spin me right round, baby, right round. When you go down, down.
Okay, let's see if I can stream this. Maybe there's display capture. There you go. Okay, bam. We got the game. Alright.
No cams though.
I'm gonna add them here. And browser servers.
Put on the camera. Do it now.
Bam! Red drop. Whoop. What is happening?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me move the chat so I can see it over here. And then open up the game. Okay. Let's join some random server here. Let's find one with like a bunch of shit. What the hell? 100x. Alright, let's join the server.
Ragnarök.
Take a look at the chart real quick. Nothing here. See 15-minute real quick. Nothing. Okay. Back at it. Boom. Alright, AB, take care.
Peace, bro.
You're gonna miss out on the red drop. What the hell? I do not own the map. Thank you, AB. Take care. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Alright, since AB's gone, no more red drop.
Nah. I don't even know what it is, bro.
We'll play the game tomorrow.
Okay.
But what I will do is play a different game. You wanna see some Assassin's Creed Valhalla? What we trying to watch here?
Assassin's Creed is great.
There's
Every
also
Assassin's
Odyssey.
Creed.
We got some different games here.
The Call of Duty World War II.
Also Far Cry.
Zombies are fucking. That's great.
Or Forza
Oh.
Horizon, the racing game. Let's try out one of the Far Cry games here. Let me connect my controller. So this is what we're gonna do until 30.
Let's go. Yep. Oh, damn, what the stream is lagging right now, bro.
It is?
Yeah, it might be just me.
Maybe it's because I'm running the game. I don't know, but let's see. Far Cry 6, I think this is, or something like that, or 5. I don't know
I
which
think
one
it's
it is.
good now. Yeah, no, it's good. It's great.
Turn off the background music. Wow.
We have nothing on the charts right now. We just gotta stay patient, play some games, and just hanging around.
Yep.
Press
Skip
A
that.
button to start.
No more Battlefield 6. No.
No
Yeah,
Battlefield
I
6 for now.
downloaded it. Yeah. Far Cry 6 is great. I wanna see it. I have never
Press
tried
left
it.
trigger
Only
to
Far Cry
enable
3.
narration of on-screen text
I'm
in
two.
menus. Menu narration is disabled.
Yes, thank you.
Jo, en flaska med rom. Yo. You gotta try out Jack and Dexter Lost Frontier.
What's
later.
that?
Yeah, that's like an old PlayStation 2 game. You know Jack and Dexter, Jak 3 maybe. You might be too young for that, bro.
Or no, I have to see it to see if I know it. Maybe.
It's like do you know Ratchet and Clank?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the same makers made a game like Jak and Dexter.
And it's
That's-
before they made Ratchet and Clank.
No, it's after, or maybe pretty much the same time, but it's like different times. But Jak and Dexter is, especially Last Frontier, that's crazy. You can like find rocks or some crystals that gives you powers.
Draft is only taking through Yarans.
It's great.
The outcasts, the poor,
So it's
orphans
pretty
like
much like
us.
Ratchet and Clank,
He's
but
bringing slavery back from the dead. In Yara,
you have green hair.
you can't run from this.
Hang on. You
It's
ditched
like
us.
pirates and
Ran
all
off to
that,
the
but
jungle with a
space
bunch of
pirates,
guerrillas.
something like that.
And you're back here to recruit for Clara Garcia's local crusade? Come on, this is our big goodbye. Danny, fucking say something.
I might have to grab my old PS2 and put it on the big screen to play that game. That game's crazy. I never played that game out. You know, I never finished it because
got my
I
name
got
wrong.
stuck on the same level all the
You
time.
could help Libertad. You're trained.
Would have been career military if you weren't such a fuck-up. Just come with us, Lita.
Aye. You never fucking listen, Danny.
Hey, time to go. Boss waiting. Drinks in Mexico. Dinner in Miami. Coño! Fucking blackouts.
Too big for a blackout.
You fucking packing?
Dinner in Miami.
What's going on?
Miami.
It's the end of the world, they say.
End of the world. Great.
What the fuck?
God damn.
Go. All of us.
Alejo,
No!
Draftees must report
Alejo,
for duty.
get down.
You will join us
Fuck
to rebuild
Castillo!
paradise.
Oh, he died. Damn.
Draftees must
I think we
report
gained
for
like
duty. You will join us
3
to
or 4
rebuild
subscribers
paradise.
today also.
Nice.
Now.
Slow but steady we are growing. We are
You're
doing
coming.
You will join
Promise
us
me,
to
Lita.
paradise.
perfect.
See. Come on, Danny.
Alright.
Close, Lita. We have
Let's
to get
go.
to the boat.
Okay, Danny.
Yeah,
We
so
get to Miami.
We'll say goodbye to Alejo. I promise.
Coño.
There's nobody here.
Hey, Rojas, should have answered the call. Next asshole who opens the door is Danny Rojas. Come on.
Miami.
Can we murder them? Or do we do the sneaky?
FND, get out here.
This way.
Okay. I'm not resisting. What the fuck? Come on. I have a family. Wait. Don't shoot.
Wait. I can't murder him?
Come on. Gotta move.
A fucking tank. Holy. Did we get any closure on the 15 or anything?
So the 15 closed pretty much doji.
So nothing.
Soldiers, Lita.
30 is still just yeah, exactly. So pretty much nothing. Let's see, we might get a break up below. Let's see.
Go.
That's not bad at all though, because then we have this week fill.
Yeah, no, that's gonna be good. Bring up below.
Where the fuck are you taking me?
Bring me the volume. Push us down, but not right now though.
I am in the sewer.
This is so fucked. Yeah, from when we were kids. Keep going. So much blood.
Almost there. The way out is up ahead.
Good. That boat's not going to wait for us. Shit. Dead end.
Damn. Oh hell no, we got a chopper following us. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay?
Sorry. I wasn't here. Shit, Lita. Where are you? Torre de Leon. Castillo's fucking casa.
Bonnie, over here.
Over there! Arrest them!
Fuck! Where the fuck are the police? They're just letting the military kill us. That's not it. The boat's over there. Run!
Oh shit. No. Let's get it.
Keep moving, Lita. We're almost there.
We have to get on that boat.
Abuela, what the hell I'm gonna do with baseball cards?
Do you have any idea what these are worth? Let us
Let's see
through.
here.
Mierda.
Marco, always making new friends.
How's the charts looking? Nada. This might be another no trade day here. 10 minutes left though.
Come on, let them on.
Let's see. Let's see what happens. 9:45 maybe. But otherwise, after that, it's just
Gracias.
nothing, bro.
Don't
So
worry
this
about it,
week has been so slow. It's if it doesn't happen, if nothing happens around 9:30,
We should be fighting, not running to the
you
end.
might just have to
Give you a
go.
fucking gift, Lita.
Pretty much come
We
back
survived.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I'm not trying to be trading Asian, so Asian. For what I have seen, looking back on the charts, Asian actually gives a lot of good entries, a lot of good setups like onions and all that. So, kinda. Yeah, exactly. So here we had a breakout. No topic though.
Before he was El
But like 2 days ago,
me papa loved to fish.
perfect onion.
We would go out on a boat, just like this. And we would catch the fish and then release them. He would say, it's not always about your stomach, mijo. It's about the challenge.
Let's see, 10 minutes.
When he caught a big, fat, juicy
Depends on the closure on this candle, I might actually take the buys inside the range. Even though I don't really want to touch the buys or anything inside the range. But we have
a
like
very big fish today.
70 pips
Have a night,
to the upside.
Diego.
AJ, from price action to game action.
Yeah. Yeah, if nothing happens, nothing happens. Ooh.
I have got you, mijo.
That's why I gotta
Sweet Times told you to build the Ventador. You guys have now your
We have
Venator.
Let them go.
After trading, or else you'll never be done with it.
truth or lies.
Yeah, so
Did you build yesterday?
They could.
no,
be
I
good
got
workers.
stuck. I got stuck
They could help
in front of the
rebuild
TV
paradise.
watching
Oh.
YouTube, and I completely forgot about it, bro.
To live. You would have
So
never set
eating
foot
food
fucking boat.
and then just
13 years
turning
old,
on YouTube and
and Diego
chilling,
has
bro.
Such
Like a real
compassion
fodder.
for his people. These
And almost passing out, like a real dad,
Yeah.
catch
fat ass.
every day.
So you're gonna get the dad bod.
Yeah, I might have to build because I want it to be below the TV, and when I'm done building this,
What just happened?
she have a reason to buy another Lego set.
Oh,
Bro,
oh damn.
I'm turning 27 this year. In like 3 months. 27. I'm pushing 30. Crazy.
Pushing
And
30.
Yeah, I'm not even rich yet. I'm not even a millionaire, bro, when I'm pushing 30. That's crazy. By the time I push 30, by the time I'm 30, I'ma have a lot of money, 100%. Because all these payouts and everything just came in 3 months. Imagine what we can do with 3 years from now. That's gonna be amazing.
I can't feel my legs.
It's gonna be amazing.
This is all my fault.
My phone.
Forget it, Lita.
Yeah,
My
so
phone.
another subscriber. By the time
That's
you
cool.
have been playing the game,
They like the gaming.
yeah,
What?
we have to start streaming some games, bro.
Here. Clara. Libertad. Julio.
Have to start streaming some games. Or they just like our pretty faces,
It's all
our
here.
pretty Nordic faces.
Take me home. Follow the code like when we were kids.
But we're gonna have to switch back to the chart soon when I get the closure. I don't know. How does the chart looking?
No.
Nothing, bro.
You give me
Nothing.
this. Clara,
Do you think there's a potential?
I mean,
Don't you
depends on what you're looking for. The breakout, maybe not, but
You're
a lot
lucky
can
one
happen
then.
in the last 5 minutes. But I'm actually down to take a buy inside the
lucky one.
range, but very low risk though. But with 930 volume, and we have around 70 pips to come up, it looks great. 15 looking great. 30 onion. Yeah, I might actually have to take this one, even if it's not the best one, because it's still inside this range, and I don't like the range. But a small. Depends on how much we're gonna push up, though. Like now we are pushing up a little bit, so I might not even touch this, but
Alright.
maybe not.
So many dead.
We're on a beach now.
But any break up, above or below, I'ma execute. So look, we are pushing up.
Got a pistol.
Need to find that gun.
But the 4 hour though, the 4 hour looking like it's ready to just take off, bro, to the upside.
Yeah, if the 4 hour breaks the highs, it's gonna be nice.
Yeah. And also if the 4 hour closed something like this, it's a inverted celery, and then we get some sort of a pullback, a new resistance and support, and then break out from this range and poof, break the 4 hour highs. What's that? That's 44. Huh? Yeah, exactly. So that would be nice. 4 hour about to flip.
Can I crawl up here?
But nothing right now. 4 minutes left. Gold has nothing to show.
I want a platoon to seal this area up. It's a fucking mess.
We got every pair of boots out looking for terrorists. A beach of fake Yara and Drifo is not high on Comandante Rosario's list.
What am I supposed to do in the meantime?
Come here, motherfucker.
We end them
Shoot him in the
in
ass!
libertad.
No, bro. I had to shoot him in that. I'd shoot that. Nah. You can't do that, bro. She had a tight ass, bro. You had to squeeze that
this?
thing.
Could
Doodle kill. Oh, I got pants. I can drip out the character. Now, that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna have some drip up in here.
Get to Libertad, steal a boat, sell the fuck out of Yara. Easy. Now I'm talking to myself.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh fuck.
A boar. Can I skin it?
That's food.
Right?
Why we talking? Nice.
Bad time to be a guerrilla.
Yeah, nothing.
usuales.
3 minutes, 2 minutes, and we're still in the middle of this range, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna force trade anything right now. I wanna have my accounts. I wanna keep them until next week. CPI, I don't wanna blow them now, so
Yeah.
only A+ setups. I might not be able to take a payout before CPI, but if I grow them above 2K, I'll be fine, because then we can max out maybe 2 of them. Keep 1. Take a payout. Bro froze. What you doing?
Alright. Let's take a look at gold here.
Yeah, so gold is doing nothing.
Close back in the range. Yeah. I agree.
Yeah. I like the 4 hour though. 4 hour setting up really good. Let's see what 930 gonna do. I think maybe if we close something like this and then the next 15 breaks above or below, 945 might be the only shot we have left. Otherwise, we have to wait here for like 2 hours more to see another setup, and I'm not trying to sit here all day, so.
Yeah. I agree.
I'ma wait one more
Show your
15
face
minutes
before
after
you
this.
shoot me.
If we don't get anything, I'ma just skid out here and maybe cook some dinner. Maybe not cook some dinner. I'ma put my wife to it. I'ma tell her to cook me some dinner, and then yeah. So we're gonna eat ground beef and rice today.
Nice.
Gotta be healthy.
I'm gonna go to the gym today and I got
You are
leg
the only
day.
survivor?
Yeah, go leg day.
Go leg day.
Go leg day. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start
I said,
my gym
are you
sessions
the
next
only
week
survivor?
on Monday
See,
between London and pre-NY
Good to know
again.
there is.
So I'm gonna come
That's all
back
you
to
have to
my
say?
routine.
You're here. That's
Let's
what
go.
matters.
And
just a second.
yeah,
hermano.
so
I'm getting the hell out
but
of
I
here.
basically have to
But you're in
wake
my
up though.
camp.
That's
Need a
the
place to stay. A few days.
big
Libertas
issue I have right
Charity,
now, because
hermano.
after Christmas and after
Lita
pretty
said
much
you would help.
taking
Lita
every
also
day
said you
off
weren't a
in
pussy.
December,
Como
my
mierda.
daily, my sleep schedule is upside down right now, so I have to just get it back, come back to the sleep schedule, and
You're an orphan. See?
yeah.
Funny how friends can be
So we
closer than
closed
family. Remember, Danny. Castillo
pretty much
has kept you an orphan.
very bad,
Why do
very
you want to
bad.
run?
Depends. If you
I
wanna
watched
trade
Castillo
inside the
order a whole
range,
boat
you
of
can
our
do
people
that.
shot to
This
death.
is a kind
Get
of
as far
only
away
you
as you
can
can from that
have some
psychopath.
buy stops.
All of you.
Maybe let this candle create a top
When
wick first, and
tyranny is
then pull
law,
back a little bit. Have a buy
revolution
stop
is
on the
over.
current
War in
candle.
Bolivar won't save you.
It's
Go
Pedro
break even
Albizu.
at the small wick. That's like 18 pips. That's crazy, bro. And then take full TP at the top of the range.
Would you take that?
No, I'm not gonna take it, but. And also now, look at that, bro. 65 pips drawdown with, yeah, it's a 1-to-1 pretty much. So you could take it, but because look, now we created a perfect bottom wick. We don't really have a top wick right now, but if we can flip, create a top wick, pull back a little bit. But I'm not gonna touch it.
4.
I am not gonna touch this because we're still in this range.
Yeah. Nothing.
I mean, we have 930 volume, so we might be able to actually push. But
We don't have much gear.
Bullet to the leg.
And we are not leaving until that Viviro
So now we
plantation
created the
goes
top
up in
wick.
smoke. But we are guerrillas. We know this land inside out.
I
You're
bought the
And
house.
familiar with
now we are pushing, bro. We are pushing, and that would have been break even.
Quick 930 move.
Let's see. Would it be full TP? We never came back down for to pull back, so that's 50 pips and a small push. So I'm not taking this, but I'm emphasizing it, kinda, seeing how it would have gone. Almost full TP. You could have closed full. So let's see.
I mean, what I'll be waiting for now is like a breakout, and then
Yeah, same.
if the 15-minute can come up here and then close above, it'd be better.
Cautious, break even.
Game is tripping here. Let's quit the game.
How would this
Alright.
play it out? It was a great buy though, but
Back to reality.
no. Close some partials would have been like $500, and not tap break even yet though. And we are pushing, bro. We are pushing. Let's see. Are we gonna break the high one more time? Hey, let's see. Damn, volume. If anybody is watching this stream and actually took this buy, W.
Anyone took anything here?
Let's see, and oof, almost full TP. I'm not in this one, but let's see. I think I might have closed full there though, but a small push. Break the high one more time, and that would have been full TP. Let's see. We're not break even yet.
I mean, for me, I wouldn't touch this because we're in the range.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why I stayed out, because I don't trust these ranges. But 930, we had an onion. And boom, full TP smacked. If I were to take the trade, which I didn't do, not this time. So that would have been full TP. Nice. But it's a very deadly range to be in right now, so I'm fine not taking that one.
Yep. I don't
Let's wait.
see
Let's
anything
wait.
here,
So
so the
did
closure
anyone
above
take
is
that?
gonna be what I'm looking for.
Did anyone take that buy? In that case, spam W's or something. Let me know. It wasn't a bad setup, but I didn't really like it. I don't think anyone took it.
Yeah, probably not.
So 60 pips, 2 contracts, that would have been 1200 times 3, so 36k. No,
36K.
3.6k. Yeah, 36k. Imagine. Imagine it. Oh, 36k. Now, 3.6k, bro. 36k in Swedish crowns, though. That's a monthly income, but nah. Math is mathing. Yeah. Yeah, my math is perfect. I have no issue. I'm not the problem. You are. You're making me thinking a weird way. Yeah, so let's see what the 15 is gonna do now.
Yeah.
Are you gonna take a setup if we get it on the 15?
Yeah, I'll take it on the 15. If we get closure above, I'll take that.
Yeah, closure above would be crazy because now we're pretty much almost breaking the 4-hour highs also. So we didn't break it, but if we break it, we should see a pusher, bro. Sure. Let's see. 6 more minutes. Yeah. So a solution to all my problems would actually be
Winning
$1
CPI.
million $99 billion and a CPI.
CPI
Yeah.
win.
I am the captain now. You gotta do as I say. Yeah. Nothing can stop me now. Nothing can stop me now. Whoa. Whoa. The worst ever breakout we can have right now is the 1 hour. Because then I don't like to execute first 15 minutes of the new 4 hours, so even if we get a breakout in 20 minutes, that's a breakout I'm not gonna touch. I am not touching that.
Slow day today.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to have a chill week sometimes also. Not so much action. I remember, was it November? Every day, bro. Every week, pretty much. There was a damn heavy week. We took like 2-3 trades every day. All of November, I think. Was it November or was it October? I don't know.
I think November.
It was, right? We
Yeah.
had so much trades, bro. Every Friday I was so tired taking so many trades.
Too many trades.
Yeah, almost, bro. It felt like we were over trading, but we weren't. I mean, 3 trades a day, it's perfect. And only setup trades. November, perfect. So November was the strongest month for me so far. I took the biggest payout. October, first payout. November, the biggest payout. And then December, I took another payout. I was about to take another payout directly after Christmas, pretty much, but I blew the account because I didn't even care about it. So
Yeah.
the last 3 months, bro, of the year was crazy.
Imagine
That
we
was
close
crazy.
below here on the 30.
Yeah, if we close below. But on the 30, that's also the 4-hour closure and the new 4-hour opening and all that. So I would might want to see a 15 closure after that. But that's just me.
Yeah, for me, if we get a steep enough top wick, I'm happy to take it.
Yeah. So that's basically the only way I'm gonna take a trade at the first candle after 4-hour closures if we actually get the perfect wick. Otherwise, I'm not gonna touch it because I've been taking so many trades the first candle after 4-hour closure, and I've been sniped out so many times. Bro, this 15 is
Gonna close doji
doing
probably.
nothing, bro. It's doing nothing.
Let's
So it
try
had
it.
that 930 little 930 pusher, 60 pips, 70 pips, and now nothing. Let's see. Are you down to wait another 15 minutes after this?
Yeah,
Maybe.
wait for the 30 to close. If we close nothing, then call it a stream.
Yeah, if we close with a potential setup, I'm down to wait a little bit more, but 30 seconds, Goldie. Are you gonna surprise me with a pop now? So we never came up to break the highs on the 4-hour. If we did, we might have just pushed. But now we're putting back down. Coming back up, putting back down. Yeah.
I mean, right now we're in this deadly range, I would say.
Yeah, exactly.
So, as long as we stay within this range, there is nothing I'm going to do.
Yeah, let's wait another 15 minutes and then we can pretty much just call it.
This is the no trade range.
So where is Alex today? He didn't show up.
No clue. Maybe he's still on vacation. He'll
Yeah.
be back maybe next week.
So what's the reason people are still broke in trading?
What's the reason people are still broke in trading?
Yeah, if you have a successful playbook but you're still broke, what's the biggest reason you think?
You're not following it. I think that's the reason. If you have
Yeah,
a
but
playbook that works and you're not making any money from it, it's because you're not following the playbook properly. And then another thing as well is that your focus is the wrong thing.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be focused on the money, because when you're focused on the money, that's when you're gonna break the plan.
Yeah.
So as long as you can keep that, mental barrier of not being focused on making money, but instead being focused on following the plan, that's what's gonna make you the money. What do you think?
Yeah. So if you have a playbook and you actually follow it and you're still broke, that means you just don't have the size, bro. You gotta size up. But if you have a playbook and you're still broke, it basically means that you're not following the playbook. You're taking too much stupid trades and don't even follow the playbook.
Or you don't understand it.
Yeah, exactly. So
And that's
But I
usually
know-
what happens in the start.
Yeah, exactly. But then we have people that actually follows the playbook and doesn't even make any money, but that's because of the size. If you're following the playbook and you're still broke, just size up. I've been thinking about that. Think about how much money we would have made in our playbook. We have like 85 or 90% win rate. Imagine we just put on like 5 contracts every trade.
I mean, it's
If we
also
had
it's about risk
capital.
risk management and being able to know
Yeah.
when to size up. It's not every trade you just size
Yeah,
up.
exactly.
You
Exactly.
need to know when to size up and when not to.
Mm.
Because if every trade you take is sized up, then if you take a bad setup with full size
Yeah.
and you lose that, it's going to be a big loss, right? But if
Yeah,
you take a
exactly.
bad setup with low size and a good setups with higher size, it's going to eventually become more profitable, right?
Yeah. So imagine we have this all-time high just rallying, and we get a nice pullback and then an onion. You know, like back in October when we just rallied up and we took onion support buys every other hour pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine taking those trades full size, bro. We would be millionaires right now. That would be crazy.
Yeah, it depends. You know what I mean? Like you can't. Every trade can't be full size and stuff like that. So
Yeah, you gotta make sense. Can't just bank on the setup. It gotta make sense.
and the thing is, I think the most important thing is to find out how to trade the playbook first. So before you
Yeah,
even size up and do anything, is make sure you can be profitable with low size first.
Mm,
So I would not recommend for anyone who's new to size up. Just
no,
regular size. Don't not rush the process. Like take it slow. Make sure that you can follow the plan with low capital and then slowly increase your size when you get more confidence and then you size up from there, you know?
Yeah.
Because if you, like, for example, I started off with high capital when Forex, right? I would buy 100K accounts, 200K accounts. But then I was blowing them. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just focusing on the money. And then I took a step back and I bought I think a 25K account or a 12K account. So it was a small, very small account compared to what I was trading before. And I was like, let me prove to myself that I can pass an account before I increase size, right? So I went down, and once I went down, I actually ended up passing that account because I was focused more on the playbook than on the money. So it's very important to not focus on the money in the beginning and then learn how to use the playbook.
Yeah, never be afraid of taking losses because losses is a part of the playbook. It's a part of the plan.
Yeah.
So yeah, execute trades and learn from your mistakes 100%. If you know what to do, it's easier to know what not to do. Yeah, no.
Welcome in,
Let's
welcome in,
go.
brother. And Jeffy, so the thing is that every strategy has losses, right? So if you want to follow a strategy, losses are going to be in those strategies. So it's all
100%.
about learning how to deal with the loss, how to not revenge trade the loss, because once you do that, you break the strategy. And learn how to maybe the setups where you lose more, size down. And the setups
Yep.
where you win more, size up. And
Yeah.
by doing that, you gain more confidence too.
And it's very important that you journal every trade so you know exactly what you're doing. So you can look back at the trades, see I look at the wins. How many wins are like onions? For me, if I look at my journal, I can see like all of the onions I've been taking is pretty much 95% win rate, and the most trades I've been losing on is breakouts. So what I do when I see a good onion, I'm not executing on a bad onion, never ever. So if I see onion, I know that I have like 95% win rate on those kind of setups. And if the timing is right, we have volume, everything makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna go pretty much all in on that one. And then breakouts, it's more like a 50-50 for me, maybe 70% win rate, kinda. I haven't really looked into it, but those kind of trades I only like size down very much. I never really like to take breakouts anymore. But it gotta make sense though. It gotta make sense. Like a 4-hour breakup high or something. So journaling is perfect. It's great to journal your trades so you can actually look back and see what makes the money and what takes away the money.
Yep. And we might get this breakout here soon. We're creeping up. 6 minutes left.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
And yeah, Nosh, you took anything today? Any trades? Anything?
Yeah, no, she doesn't even have to take trades. He's a meme coin expert. He's a millionaire, bro. He's that shadow billionaire. Nobody knows he's a rich motherfucker, bro.
The Pepe, El Pepe.
Yeah, the frog coin.
Frog coin.
He's banking his house on that coin right now. So give us anything. What coin should we invest in right now? I mean, Bitcoin is starting to pop up again, so that might be maybe too early, too soon, too late. I don't know, but Bitcoin is back up. Oh damn, 95, and now we put them back. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna start buying some Bitcoin when we come down to like 60K.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I'm gonna try and get some more capital from trading and then probably invest it into
Yeah.
Bitcoin or something like that.
When I have more capital, I have more money, I'm gonna go and try to learn stocks a little bit more. See what we can invest in. So I know this guy, he invested like 10 or no, was it $20 million into some tech company or something. He made like 12 million in one day, bro. That's
Damn.
crazy. Imagine 12 mil, bro. That's like two generations of income.
How much
right
did he
there.
invest? 20,000?
Nah, 20 million. So
Oh.
he's rich as fuck though.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, if you got a lot of money, then
Yeah.
you're gonna make a lot of money.
Yeah.
If you know how to make the money, which you probably
So
do.
yeah. Yeah, Fido, you journal your trades, right? I think you told me in Instagram before that you journal your trades. It's great. I never really journaled my trades until this last 3 months because I didn't really know how to, I didn't know where to journal my trades. So November was the first ever trade I ever journaled in my life, and that's a game changer.
Yep, and that's when you start getting a lot of payouts.
Yeah, exactly. So the first payout October, and then I started journal my trade, and then payout.
Let's see, 3 minutes, boys. 3 minutes. Are we gonna actually get a closure above this deadly range, or are we gonna stay within it? It's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, I really hope we get this breakout and then a steep bottom wick. Otherwise, I'm not gonna touch it.
Yeah.
But the 1 hour though, look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is actually breaking out. So that's the thing that is very dangerous. Some time frames can break out, other time frames just stay inside the range. I don't really like when, like now, let's say 1 hour breaks out and 30 and 15 is still inside the range. I don't like those kind of breakouts. They are deadly, bro.
Yeah, no.
Very deadly.
I'm not gonna take that if that happens.
Are you gonna take the 1 hour breakout?
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm only gonna take it if it closes above the 30 resistance. That's gonna be the 4 hour closing stronger bullish as well. It's It's gonna be the 15-minute close and above, 30-minute,
Yep.
and 1 hour. So
Yeah,
if I
exactly.
don't
So
see that, I won't take it.
those kind of breakouts I like, but if like 30 breaks out and then you look at 15, we're still inside the range. I don't touch those breakouts because it's pretty much 50-50. These are the breakouts I always lose.
2 minutes. Will gold be generous for our patience today, or will we have to wait more?
Yeah,
And the more you wait, the better.
Yeah, I'm down to wait to next week if I have to.
I'm down to wait for CPI.
Yeah, CPI, then the waiting is done, bro. It doesn't matter if we have a breakout, we're just gonna poof,
The waiting is
execute,
done.
bro. Buy stop, sell stop.
All right, 1 minute. We're hovering.
So this breakout, it doesn't have to break out, visible. The big
Like
breakout.
this right here is fine.
Yeah, this is perfect, bro.
But another thing is, boys, is just because we get the breakout doesn't mean we'll get the trade, right? We could easily just move without a bottom wick.
Yeah.
So,
And also we can get this invisible breakout. So we break out with like 2 pips. No one sees the breakout. Those breakouts are amazing, bro. Like you don't even see the breakout. Those are the breakouts you want to take, bro. Because I've seen those breakouts just fly, bro, fly. Almost every time.
let's see if we get anything here. 1 minute, boys. 1 minute.
Yeah.
This is a very strong range, I would say. Like this range right here is very strong, and gold has had a tough time breaking out of it.
Yeah, if it actually breaks out, we're gonna push.
And I don't think we will here. 30 seconds. Chances are low. Let's see lower time frames. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna break out of this range here. We need a miracle to happen.
Yeah, 15 seconds, bro.
A miracle. A printer.
Push! Push! Push!
And nothing. All right. I think that is gonna be it for today, boys. So,
yeah.
Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll be streaming tomorrow, NFP day as well. So let's see if we can get something exciting for that.
8 a.m. Be there.
8 a.m. New York time.
NY Open.
NY Open.
Peace,
all right.
gang.
Thank you everyone. Peace.
Peace.